Here we have another linear system of equations, one of them written in standard form and one of them written in slope-intercept form. So let's see what happens with these two lines. The first line, if we rearrange it, we can see that we have 4y is equal to negative x plus 4. And then to isolate the y, we need to divide both sides by 4. And so that would give me the equation in slope-intercept form, y equals negative 1/4 x plus 1 when we take the 4 divided by 4. Okay, so let's look at the equation of that line, now that it's written in slope-intercept form, and then look at the second line we were given, y equals negative 1/4 x plus 1. We ended up getting identical equations once I rearranged that first equation so that it's no longer in standard form. This means that every single point on the first line is going to touch every single point on the second line. That means that our solution to this system is going to be infinitely many solutions. And so if you were going to graph this, of course you're going to end up just graphing a single line because they're identical to each other. So the y-intercept is positive 1. The slope is negative 1/4. You can choose to interpret that negative sign to be in the numerator or in the denominator. It doesn't matter. I'm going to interpret it to be in the numerator, so that means I'm going to go down 1 and over to the right 4. And then I just need to connect those 2 points of the straight line, and I will have the equation graphed. So in this particular case, you don't have a second line to draw because they're identical to each other. And so that means that we have infinitely many solutions for this system.